Hello children, today we are going to learn about rolling and sliding objects. Rolling means move by turning over and over. Object which moves by turning over and over is called rolling objects. Sliding means move smoothly. Object which moves smoothly is called sliding object. The rolling and sliding behavior of an object depends on its surface. There are two types of surfaces. They are curved surface and flat surface. Objects with curved surface can roll. It means if we keep it on a slider, it moves down by turning over and over. Some objects have curved surface only. For example, tomato, ball, and orange. These objects can roll only. Objects with flat surface can slide. It means if we keep it on a slider, it moves down smoothly. Some objects have flat surface only. For example, notebook, cube, and dice. These objects can slide only. Objects with both curved and flat surface can roll and slide. If we keep the flat surface on the slider, it slides down. If we keep the curved surface on the slider, it rolls down. Some objects have both curved and flat surface. For example, tiffin box, pencil, and water bottle. These objects can both roll and slide.